Hey guys, Crystal here again, doing an unboxing from Nature's Garden. I got a few fragrance oils and hibiscus powder. Okay guys, this is how it looks. This is Loving Spell. This is an orange scent. Monkey Farts. Oops. Sea salt and lotus blossom. I'm gonna make some salt bars and add the scent to it. Pink sugar type. This is the Fastlane. This is similar to the Draca men's cologne scent. This is the black raspberry and vanilla. This is apple cinnamon. My husband requested that I try this. This is a hibiscus 4-ounce powder. I want to make a soap with that. And this is the vanilla stabilizer. And that's it. Like and subscribe.